Ever had that weird feeling you've lived a moment before? That's déjà vu, and no, it's probably not a glitch in the Matrix. Scientists believe it might be a brain misfire. Your brain accidentally activates both short-term and long-term memory at the same time, making a brand new experience feel strangely familiar. It's like your brain hits the record and playback buttons at once. No time travel, no past life, no parallel universe. Just a clever mistake in your memory system. Still feels kinda magical though, right? Crazy, but true.